Hi, Roberto. Good morning. Sorry, I speak in English because I can speak Italian and also in the Spanish. I think the other guys used to know and they speak in a lot of language, so I think his English is easy for you. Okay, your help was very important, and you sent for me the diagrams and information. Thanks a lot. I found, just for information, this is a power supply. I found this capacitor, 2,200 microfarads bad. This guy is here. This is looking at crazy readings. Can you see? This is a capacimeter. So this capacitor was a problem. The power supply for 24 volts was hypo. It's measuring high hypo, so that's why you have a problem. Supposed to be, this is a major problem. But also I take advantage in the truck and the change all capacitors and this IC as well, and looks good now. And about this board, this is another board. Okay, this board came to me with this connector. This 15 pins was missing. And I can't find one like original. I mean, this is the pin. This is 19 degrees. So, but as the guy on the field use the cable here, I think it's possible use the. Oh, my grandson is coming here, right? Hi, Pedrinho. Tudo bem? Okay. So, but the more important thing is I found this transistor here. This is a transistor, it's a Q2, right? This is open, the base and the emitter junction, and this as well. I have the same board here. They got the same problem in Q2, but this is a shorted. Okay, so this is in a shorted transistor here, and this is what's shorted and open one junction. Okay, I think now is okay. I make some tests. I use this transformer. This transformer can have this is 18 volts AC and 12 so I can use this to get 24 volts AC as well to fit this board and the repair. This is just for you. I can say for you very, very happy Christmas and a happy New Year. And thanks for your help and the support for me. Okay? Bye-bye.